It's almost Christmas. That means we're gonna go deliver some presents soon. Let's see, we got our presents. We got our sled. Now, if our sled is nice and ready for Christmas, we're all good to go. Now, as long as there aren't any Grinches here to destroy my sled, I think we're okay. Oh no! What are we gonna do? My sled! Wait! What's that? Oh my goodness! It's perfect! That's it! This year, we'll be delivering gifts by train! But we're gonna need more than just one train. I think I'm gonna need some help!